Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let's pave the way for the understanding of percentage type questions. Always stuck to basic. Basic leads to clarity. Clarity works wonder. What is 10% of 470? What is 10% of 470? Write 10% of 470 multiply by 470. Look at this. 10% of 470. What is 10% of 470? 10% of 470. To remove percent sign, divide by 100. To remove percent sign, divide by 100. To remove percent sign, divide by 100. Cancel out this 0 with this. 1 time 47. So 47 is our answer. 47 is our answer. In that case, it is also equal to 470% of 10 gives us same result. 470% of 10 also gives us same result. Let's see. 470 times 10 to remove percent divide by 100. Cancelled out. 1 into 47, 47. Either it is given to us 10% of 470, it's 47, or 470% of 10, it is also equal to 47. It's also equal to 47. Of means multiplication to remove percent divide by 100. Understanding towards percentage. 10% of 470 or 470% of 10, they are equal. Let's see next question. Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. In first of 50 we have done that how to find percent of something. Question was what is 10% of 470? 10% of 470. And we have did this with some variation as well. What is 470% of 10? They both result in 47 in first question. Our question number 2 is what percent of 300 is 75? What percent of 300 is 75? Suppose X percent of 300 is 75. What percentage of 300 is 75? What percentage I have written? Suppose X percent of multiplication 300 is 75. What percentage of 300 is 75? What percentage of 300 is 75? Suppose X percent of 300 is 75. I used to call it sniper shot. This must be accurate enough to lead you to correct answer. To remove percent, divide by 100. To remove percent, divide by 100. 00 cancelled out. So we have 3x is equal to 75. Solve for x. Divide by 3, both sides. Getting rid of 3, x is equal to 3 to the 6, 1 carry 15, 3 5 the 15, 25%. So 25% of 300 is 75. 25% of 300 is 75. Let's verify. 25% of 300 results in 75. Let's verify. 25 multiply by 300 to get rid of percent divide by 100 is equal to 75. Verification. Cancelled out. 25 times 3 is equal to 75. 75 is equal to 75. 75 is equal to 75. What percentage of 300 is 75? What percentage of 300 is 75? Suppose X percent of 300. X percent of multiplication. X percent of 300 is 75. Suppose X percent of 300 is 75. To get rid of percentage sign, divide by 100. Divide by 100, 00 cancelled out. As we'll apply table of 100. Table of 100 on 100 one time, on 300 three times. So 3x is equal to 75. We are interested in x. To get rid of, to vanish, to do away with 3, divide by 3. Both sides, x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25. Or one can verify 25% of 300 is 75. Whether we have arrived at correct result or incorrect. 25% of 300 To remove percent, divide by 100. 25 times 3, it's 75. We are good with that. Wait for question number 3. Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Question number 3 of 50. We have given a system of linear equation. I don't want to confuse you in vocabulary. If y is equal to 3x and second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 12, find the value of 5x. Y is equal to 3x, second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 12, find the value of 5x. Just plug in this value. Instead of y, write 3x here. Instead of y, write 3x here. Instead of y, write 3x here. We are asked to find the value of 5x. So y is equal to 3x is equation number 1. Our second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 12. Instead of this 12, just plug in the values. That is 3x. Instead of y, I have written 3x. 2x plus 3x, it will become 5x. It will become 5x. And we are asked to find value of 5x. So value of 5x is 12. Value of 5x is 12. That's our right option. Or y is equal to 3x and second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 12. Okay. Instead of this y, write 3x. Instead of this y, write 3x. That I have done here, but a direct one. 2x. Instead of y, write 3x. 2x plus 3x, it's equal to 5x. And look at this. We are asked to find value of 5x. We are asked to find value of 5x. And 5x is equal to, it's our right option. Wait for the question number 4. Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. 3 of 50 for the phase 2. Our question reads as, the function f is defined by f of x is equal to 8 times root x. 8 times root x. 8 times root x. For what value of x does f of x is equal to 48? Does f of x is equal to 48? Just plug in instead of f of x 48. Just put f of x is equal to 48 here. Instead of f of x, write 48 here. Solve for x. Solve for x. Solve for x. Insert f of x is equal to 48. Or we have given f of x is equal to 8 times root x. F of x is given to us. It's 48. F of x is 48, not x. F of x is equal to 48. F of x means 48 is equal to 8 times root x. 8 times root x. We are interested in x. We have to get rid of this 8. Divide by 8 both sides. Divide by 8. We have 48 by 8. 8 times root x divided by 8. 8 cancelled out. 8 6 the 48. 6 times 8. 6 6 the 36. 6 8 the 48. 6 8 the 48. So I have x is equal to root x. X is equal to root x. We are asked to find value of x. Value of x, not root x. To get rid of root x, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. We have 6 square root x square. Squaring both sides to get rid of root. To get rid of square root. Squaring both sides. Square of 6 is 36. 6 is the 36. Square root cancelled out. So value of x is 6. Value of x is 6. Value of x is 6. Look. F of x is equal to this one. F of x is equal to 48. F of x. We have given the value of f of x is equal to 48, not x. Insert instead of f of x 48. Plug in the value of f of x, that is 48. We are interested in x. Make x alone. Make x alone. Or simply make x subject. Simply make x alone. There is 8. We have divided by 8. And we have root x is equal to 6. We are interested in x, not root x. We are interested in x, not root x. to get rid of square root, squaring both sides. Square of 6, it's 6 square root cancel out. 6 square means 6 6 the 36. So value of x is 36. Wait for question number 4. Hi everyone, it's math with AUB. Let's see question number 4. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to 70 times 0.1 raised to the power x or 0.1 to the power x. What is the value of f of 0? F of 0. Let me write the question. F of x is equal to 70 times 0.1 raised x. Find f of 0. F of 0. Look at this. Here, function of x. Instead of x, here is 0. Instead of x, here is 0. So indirectly, it is mentioned to us that x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. We have to find function value at x is equal to 0. Function value at x is equal to 0. It is given to us. F of x is equal to 70 times 0.1 to the power x. Find f of 0. F of 0. If we compare f of x and f of 0, means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Or more mathematically, it is said that find the function value at x is equal to 0. Function value at x is equal to 0. Function value at x is equal to 0. Plug in instead of x just 0. So we have f of 0. It's equal to 70 times 0.1 raised to the power 0. Any non-zero quantity raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. That's the rule. Non-zero, where a does not equal to 0. A does not equal to 0. Mark my words. 0 raised 0 is not equal to 1. 0 raised 0 is not equal to 1. A raised 0 is equal to 1. Where a is a non-zero quantity. In that case, 0.1 is the non-zero quantity. Raised to any power, it's equal to 1. So we have f of 0 is equal to 270 times 1. So 270 is our answer. Function is given to us. F of x is equal to 270 times 0.1 raised x. Find f of 0. Here it is f of x, here f of 0. F of x, f of 0. If you can compare, so value of x is 0. We are just asked to put value of x 0 and evaluate the function. Here, instead of x, I have inserted, plugged in 0. 270 times 0.1 raised to 0. Here, keep this thing in mind, very tiny factor of mathematics, a raised 0 is equal to 1. But, a big but, if a does not equal to 0, a is a non-zero quantity, then it's equal to 1. It is 0.1, it is a non-zero quantity. So instead of 0.1 raised 0, I have written 1. 270 times 1 is 270. Wait for question number 5. Hi everyone, it's math with AUB. Question number 5. Question number 5 of 50. For the preparation of IBA phase 2 2025. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 9. For which value of x? F of x is equal to 25. F of x is equal to 25. Find the value of x. For which value of x? For what value of x? For which value of x? F of x is equal to 25. F of x is equal to 25. So this is value of f of x and we are asked to find value of x. F of x is equal to 25. We have to find x. F of x is given to us. Instead of f of x, we can utilize 25, then solve for x. Instead of f of x, we write 25, then solve for x. Technically, it is the equation of parabola. Without going into that detail, just simply drag along and walk. Simple walk. F of x is equal to x square plus 9. For what value of x? F of x is equal to 25. Here, let me reproduce the question. F of x is x square plus 9. Here, f of x is equal to 25. F of x and f of x is equal to 25. F of x is equal to 25. Instead of f of x, I can write 25. Instead of f of x, I can write 25 here. 25 here. Instead of f of x, Write 25 and solve for x. 25 is equal to x square plus 9. X square plus 9. We are interested in x. Make x alone. Make x alone. Make x alone. To get rid of 9, subtract minus 9 both sides. 25 minus 9 is equal to x square plus 9 minus 9. To get rid of positive 9, I have added minus 9 on both sides. Or simply 9 I have subtracted from both sides. Cancelled out. 25 minus 9, it's 16. Now I have x square. We are asked to find x, only x. X means x is 1. There is x square. To get rid of x square, introduce square root. Is square root 16. Square root must be introduced in positive negative. Here it is x square. To get rid of square, I have introduced square root. Square root cancel. 16 is a perfect square quantity. 16 is a perfect square quantity having roots 4. So x is equal to positive and negative 4. The story behind positive and negative 4 is that if you square positive 4 square, result in 16. If you square negative 4, still it results in positive 16. That's why square root is calculated in positive and negative. Or simply here it is a quadratic. If you can solve this, you will get two answers. Like this x square 16 there, minus 16 is equal to 0. Or x square minus 4 square is equal to 0. Difference of 2 square, x4, x plus 4, x minus 4. And here x is equal to minus 4, from here x is equal to 4. So that is the story behind positive and negative 4. Or one can verify from the options. If I put 4 here, 4 square plus 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, then 4 is our right option. However, this equation has two roots, plus minus 4. It has two x-intercept, plus minus 4. But looking at the options, having glimpsed at the options, we have to reconcile ourselves that x is equal to 4 is the only answer in that case, from option point of view. Otherwise, it has two roots. Wait for question number 6.